Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandoor. Yesterday we are discussing about the real number, ninth class, first chapter, real number. Real number. What is real number? First we have to recall the real number. Real number is nothing but just a combination of number till that whatever we have learned up to that at earlier classes. Okay. What is real number? Real number is the combination of natural number, whole number, integer, rational number or irrational number. Okay. What is rational? Rational or irrational is a new word in ninth class. What is rational number? Natural number is nothing but the number which is in the form of p by q. Q should not equals to 0. Denominator should not equals to 0. Okay. Till yesterday we are starting the exercise 1.1. Okay, we are completing the up to 7th bit. Okay, up to 7th bit we are starting the 8th bit. Yesterday we solved the first one question. I am giving you second one homework. Okay, what is the question? Express each of the following decimal in the p by q form. We have to convert the question which is in the form of decimal. Okay, decimal form is there. Just we have to convert into the p by q form. In 7th bit we can easily remove the point. How many numbers after decimal? We divide that much zeros with 1. Okay, here is it. 115.4 means we are how many zeros we have to divide? Only 1 zero with 1. 154 divided by 10. Okay, what is the what is the 8th bit? 8th bit is the 0.5 bar. Means the bar value is repeated. Okay, repeated, there is no finite value. Okay, 0.5555 up to so on. Okay, we cannot find the how many numbers after decimal. We cannot define the how many numbers after decimal. Due to this reason we cannot write the p by q form. Okay, yesterday we are solving the first one question. I will give you homework. I was give you homework the second one question. Today we are going to try to solve the third one. Okay, what is the third one, ma? 0.36 bar. The bar which numbers is repeated, ma? Means 36 is repeated, means 0.363636. This value we have to convert in the p by q form. Well, okay, let's see the third one question. We are solving the third one question in 8th bit. What is the question is that 0.36 bar. What is bar, ma? What is mean by bar? The number which is under the bar, the number, these numbers are repeating. Okay, given that what is given, just you have to write whatever given in the question, you have to write in the solution after writing the given that. Okay, given that is equal, given that we are taking the question as x is equals to, we are consider the question as x value. X is equals to 0.36. In next step, x is as it is equal to is as it is. What is mean by bar? Bar means repeated value, ma. Means 0.363636 up to so on. There is no definite value. Okay, let it be equation 1. Okay, on the next step what we have to do? Multiply the equation 1 with 100. Why we are multiply with 100? Why we are multiplying that? In yesterday's class we are multiplied the equation 1 with 10 number, because in that question we have only bar on one number. Today's question we have bar on two numbers. Okay, let's see is that how many numbers is repeated, how many numbers under the bar is two numbers. That's why I am writing the 100. How many zeros is there? How many numbers under bar? Okay, under bar, that much zeros we have to multiply with equation 1, ma. Okay, this is the point we have to know about that. What is that? We have to multiply with equation with 100, ma. Okay, I am multiplying. What is the RHS? LHS is x only, na. 10 into x is equal to is as it is. Just RHS also we have to multiply with 100. 100 into 0.363636 up to so on. Okay, next step is 100 into x is 100x. Okay, we have to multiply the 1000 with the given equation, with the given RHS. What we have to do after multiplying the 100, the decimal is goes to right side. Okay, after multiplying the 100, what we have done? Only the decimal move two numbers after two numbers on RHS on right side. This is a basic thing we are learned in the earlier classes. what we have to do, if 10 is there, just decimal is goes to 1 point only, one number only, after one number. Here we are multiplying the which number ma with the 100. We have two zeros, means we have two numbers, we have two zeros, that's why the decimal is goes to after two numbers. Okay, after going the two number, what we get ma, 36.363636 up to so on, up to so on. Let it be the equation up to so on. It is the equation 2. Okay, on the next step, what we have to do, subtract the equation 2 by from 1 more. While subtracting, okay, I am subtracting the suppose 7 and 5. Okay, while subtracting, which number we have to take first, greater number or smaller number? Or while subtracting, we are taking the greater number first, then we have to write the smaller number. Here among two questions, which one is greater ma? Here is 100x, here is 1x. Which one is greater? The second question, the second equation is greater. While subtracting, which one we have to take first? We have to take the first greater number. Here the second question is greater ma. Here 100x is equals to 36.6666 up to so on. Okay, we are taking here 100x is equals to 36.6666. It is a equation 1. We have to, what we have to subtract it? We have to subtract the equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, 10 x is equals to 0.666 up to so on. Okay, up to so on. Just we have to subtract the two equations. 100x is there, 100x minus x is 99x. Okay, come to the RHS is equal to as it is. What is 36 minus 0 is 36 only. We have to write decimal as it is. 3 minus 3 is 0, 6 minus 3 6 is 0. We are getting the zeros only. Okay, on the next step, after decimals, zeros after decimal we not consider ma, we not consider of zeros after decimal. Just we have to leave it, just we have to write, observe that much only, just we have to observe this much only. What is that ma? 99x is equals to 36. Okay, what we want the x value now, just you have to take it as subject. We have to remove the remaining numbers from the remaining next side. Just we have to want x value, just why we have to take it as a subject, and remaining term we have to send the RHS side. What is the 36 is there? 99 is multiply here, is goes to that side, it become divides that number. What is that number? 36 by 99. Okay, how can I cut? With the help of 3's table. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. What we get? X is equals to 12 by 33. X is equals to 12 by 33 ma. Okay, after once again we are cutting with the help of 3's table only na. 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. What we get answer? X is equals to 4 by 11. 4 by 11. Okay, ma'am? This is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. What is the answer? 0.36 bar. Okay, 0.36 bar. Once again, I will explain you what is that. Given that we have to write the question as x is equals to 0.36. Okay. What is meant by bar? We have to write the repeated value x is equals to 0.363636. Okay, take it as the equation 1. Okay, multiply the equation with 100. Why we are multiplying with 100? Because the bar is on two numbers. Of how many numbers under bar we have to write, we have to multiply that much zeros. The bar on two numbers now we are multiplying the 2 means 100. If the bar on one number we are applying with 10. Okay ma. Just we have to multiply the 100 with the equation 1. LHS is 100 into x is equals to 100 into whole RHS we have to write. Okay, 100 into x is 100x is equals to, when we multiply that 100 into this repeated value. Okay, what we get? Just when we applying this is a basic thing ma. When we apply the some zeros, some 110, how many zeros is there? The decimal is moved right side. After that number of zeros, that number of how many zeros is it? Decimal is moved right side after that numbers. Okay, 2 zeros is the decimal moved the 2 after 2 numbers, means what is there? What we get? 36.363666 is there, we take it as a equation 1. We have to remove the, we have to subtract the equation 1 and 2 ma. What is that? 100x is equals to 36.3636, so on. I am writing the second and first one question. X is equals to 0.3636. 100 minus 1 is 100 minus x is 100 minus x is 99x, and 36 minus 0 is 36. Here is the 0 zeros, okay, because 3 minus 3 is 0, 6 minus 6 is 0, okay, we get 0 0. We are not considering the zeros after decimal now. We have to leave it, don't observe this number, just we have to observe this number, okay, because we not observe the zeros after decimal now, okay. Here what is that? 99x is equals to 36. What we have? 99x is equals to 36. 99 is multiply, it goes to that side, it divides the number. What is that number ma? 36 by 99. When we cut, what we get? For 12 by 33. Once again we are cutting with the help of 3 table. 3 4s and 3 11s, 3 1s. What we get? Final answer, x is equals to 4 by 11. The question is in decimal form, nama. The question is in decimal form. We are converting into the p by q form. What is the p by q form of 0.36 bar? Is the p by q form of 0.36 bar is that 4 by 11. Okay. This question is completed. I am explaining this question ma. Third one question. And fourth one is your homework problem. Okay. Just you have to write the process same. It's a similar problem. Just you have to multiply the equation with which number? With 10 ma. Okay. Process is same. Just you have to try the fourth one question. And today's class is completed. So whatever discussed in your class, in our class, just you have to write, and homework problem also you have to write and send me in the group. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.